In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected without internet on your phone. So what you can do is first go to settings and go and type in date and time. So inside here, you want to make sure you have connected to set automatically. So this will automatically set your date and time to the correct settings. So if you have done this and you're still having issues, then what you can do is go ahead and just shut off your phone. So hold and press your power button for a few seconds and see if that works. So shut off your phone and turn it back on and see if that fixes your issue. So if that doesn't fix it, go to your settings, go to wireless and networks, go to your Wi-Fi settings and go to VPN. And here you want to make sure you're not connected to any VPN. So if you are, just disable it and turn it off. So if that still hasn't fixed your issues, what you can do is go to Wi-Fi, and here you want to go to your internet and just make sure that you click forget and reconnect. So after you click forget and reconnect, see if that fixes your issue. So if that fixes your issue, then hopefully you're good. But if you're still having issues, then there's only one thing you can try here. So what you can do is just try to enable the airplane mode and just enable it for a few seconds and disable it, and try shutting off your phone again and turning it back on and see if that works. And hopefully your issue has been fixed. If that fixed your issue, just make sure to leave a like and subscribe.